Welcome to the world of Lucky Miner LV07. This is your trusted assistant for your mining business. In this video, we will take you to a deeper understanding of Lucky Miner, show how it achieves minimalist operation and outstanding performance, help you start your mining journey quickly and efficiently. Firstly, open the product packaging box. There is an instruction manual inside. LV07 product manual. A piece of anti-collision foam. Lucky Miner LV07 device. Display. Air inlet. DC hole. Air outlet. Product labeling. Power cord. The power adapter. Lucky Miner LV07 contains instructions, power cord, the power adapter, LV07 equipment. Among them, Lucky Miner LV07 is only the size of a palm. Of course, the weight is also very light, only 0.35 kilograms. Lucky Miner LV07 adopts precision design, provide powerful features, meet all your needs for efficient mining. Lucky Miner LV07 supports SHA-256D algorithm, can mine up to 47 cryptocurrencies, including BTC, BC, HB, SVD, GB, etc., suitable for multiple mining modes, such as Solo PP, LNS, PPS, Prop. Can meet the diverse needs of different miners. Computing power 1 THS. Power is only 28 watts. Daily power consumption is only 0.67 kWh. Next, let's turn on the power. Insert the DC port. Connect the power adapter. Plug in the plug. This plug is a national header. After connecting the power, you can turn on the computer. Click on the network. Find the mining machine LAN and connect it. You can jump to the back end. After entering, click on Settings. Enter the correct network name and password. Attention, the network name must be in full English. Fill in the mining pool URL. Fill in the port number. Fill in the correct wallet address. After filling in, click Save. The message Save Success will appear in the bottom right corner. Then click on Restart. Then reconnect the network to which the mining machine is connected. The reconnected network needs to be on the same network as the settings interface. Change the website address to the IP address of the mining machine. At this point, we can directly see its current computing power. I dug up a few shares. And what is its effectiveness? You can also see its fan speed below, and its temperature. Real-time monitoring data. Lucky Miner provides you with a continuous and stable mining experience. help you easily acquire digital wealth. Of course, we can also check the computing power of the mining pool. Search for wallet address in the search box. You can now view the computing power on the mining pool end. The explanation of this video is coming to an end. Thank you for watching. Lucky Miner LV07 is compact, convenient, safe and efficient. No matter where you are, you can easily control your encrypted assets. Take immediate action and become a leader in the mining trend. Visit our website to learn more details. Let's start your mining journey.